Features unique to the AR1748 are the electric lift, which is operated by a magnetically mounted controller, works off of your towing vehicle's 12-volt system. The lift is capable of lifting 800 pounds. The machine itself weighs about 275, so you can put another 500 pounds of additional weight on top of it. Other than that, the tires on the AR1748 are flat free, which helps it to carry the extra load, also avoids replacing tires unnecessarily. Now the aerating side of things. The AR1748 has 40 3/4-inch coring tines on 2 separate spindles. Makes steering and turning quick and easy without tearing. Each of these spindles are mounted on 2 serviceable pillow block bearings, making that quick, easy, and serviceable, extending the life of spindles. Now you might be asking me, what are these 2 tubes up here for? This is the base model aerator, or AR1748. This is built to hold a 205-liter or 55-gallon barrel. So a 55-gallon barrel full of water is about 465 pounds, which is right at the top end of the lifting capacity. That's one option. The other option is to opt for the weight box that gives you the ability to add different types and different kinds of weights to as much as you please. That's the aerator. Don't forget to like and subscribe.